In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your TikTok feed to your small business website. I'm going to show you how to do this cheap and easy, no coding, super easy. Anybody can do it. So if you are a business that's active on TikTok, like this scrunchie business is, or this street brewing coffee shop is, or this jewelry designer is, and you're having success, then you probably want to highlight that on your small business website. I'm just using Mighty Sites for this example. Mighty Sites is just $9 a month. It's a super cheap and easy way to build a basic small business website. Even if you're using a different platform, this method's still going to work for you. So here's my Mighty Sites website that I'm just working on getting set up. And basically what I'm going to do is connect my TikTok feed to something called Elfsight, because that's the easiest way to do this for any platform. So all I have to do is just select the feed layout that I want. They have all sorts of different feed layouts. I'm just going to go with this main first one that it offered here. And then I'm going to click on use this template. Now, Elfsight is also free, and it does have a paid plan if you get a bunch of traffic, but for many people, it's going to be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go to profile, and then I'm going to just grab this jewelry design username here, go to the profile selection, and I'm going to paste it in, and then I'm going to click on add. And now you can see that my feed from TikTok starts to show up here, and I click publish. I'm going to close that. Now it's super easy to install. I just go over here and I click on install, copy the code, go back over to Mighty Sites, and now depending on what website platform you're using, you could use Mighty Sites. If you're using another website platform, you just have to find where they let you plug in and add custom code. So I'm just going to scroll down here. I'm going to go to update section, and I'm going to click here and paste, save my widget, and close. And now all I have to do is go up to the top, click on stop editing. And now when I scroll down here, you can see here's my TikTok feed for my jewelry design business on TikTok. And I can even click load more if I'm a customer to see more of the post, but it just adds a really professional, nice impression to my website. And now as I go through and build out the rest of my website, I've got this really nice TikTok feed for where my business is active that keeps fresh content coming to my site, and also highlights for my customers where they can find me, see my designs that I'm doing, and follow my business further, and where they can catch me for this new content. I'm going to put the links to Elfsight and to Mighty Sites down below. If you want to add your TikTok to your website, I think that's the easiest way to go about doing it. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll catch you in the next video.